I don't know why I'm sensing this, but if you feel that should I take some initiative towards doing some action, make taking some action or so, and this can be something related to overseas or so. The very first card came related to the same. So this card says yes, you can do that, but if possible, do it via online or so. But this card is giving me a lot of vibes of traveling over there. I guess once the situation is under control, you can do that. Like here I'm feeling a thinking person, a person thinking, should I fly overseas or no, or should I sell through this trip or no. But I guess like everything seems to be calm over here. So this is also a message for you. Once the situation is under control, you can take your desired action. This is what I would say. Second card. Okay, so again, I don't know why I'm looking at this person. I'm sensing this person as a traveler or so, and maybe you're looking for some opportunity or so, or maybe some opportunity has come towards you. This is what I'm seeing over here, and maybe you're wondering that should I accept it or not, and maybe this opportunity is somewhere else, not where your family stays. So you're exploring, and this opportunity says this is a opportunity from divine itself, so please do not ignore it. You can explore it. This is what I would say, because you never know, this opportunity can also help you to reach up to heights. Okay, just because of the situation, if you are thinking, wondering, sabotaging, that shouldn't be the reason. This is what I would say. Like later you shouldn't regret, oh, that I missed an opportunity. So in this situation, there needs to be a lot of control on your emotions. Now, just because she's a lady, don't think this is only for girls and women. No, this is for everyone. And because emotions are especially connected to the feminine side and all, and hence this Queen of Cups has came over here. So in this situation, your emotions needs to be very strong, because if your emotions are not balanced, they are not in control, it will somewhere affect your mental state of mind also. So keep your emotions strong, work on it. Save your money. This is what has been said. Where it is not necessary, you need not spend your money else. You can face some sort of poverty or so. Not trying to scare you or so, but please have some control on your money and keep some stuffs with you only. No need to share with each and everyone.